Good morning, reception at Camelot. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for sending in your number bus stories. I loved watching them. It made me so happy. And it's great to see you're learning live. If I had lanyards, I'd be giving loads out. So thank you so much. We are going to be carrying on with subtraction until the end of the week. Before we start, please make sure you have your whiteboard and pen, a dice if you have one, but don't worry if you don't. I'll put a link up to it, and a little toy that can help you jump on your number line that you will have created with your number cards in front of you. So I've got Buzz Lightyear, one of my children's, to help me count backwards on my number line. He's going to be jumping rather than flying. So what do we need to remember when we're subtracting? That's right, we need to remember to use our subtraction sign. But before we subtract, let's practice some counting. And I'm going to use Buzz to help me count. So can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count backwards this time. And if you've got a little toy, you can join in with your toy, and he or she or it could bounce on your numbers too. So let's start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great counting, children. So the focus today is using our number line to subtract. But if you find it's really tricky to do, then please still use your tens frame and counting objects as well. It's all part of the learning process, so that's fine, that's okay. So I have got Buzz Lightyear, and I'm going to put him on number 10. Okay, so I'm going to start with number 10. I'm going to write the number on my whiteboard, and if we are going backwards on our number line, then I know we are taking away or subtracting. So I need to remember my subtraction sign. I'm going to roll my dice to get my number sentence, my first number sentence, to see how much I need to jump back on my number line. Can you see what number I've landed on? It's only 1, so I'm going to find 1 less than 10. Oh, that reminds me that we did that at the beginning of the week, didn't we? So I'm only jumping back 1 space on my number line. Camera's frozen. Let's see. So jumping back 1 space on my number line, and I land on the number 9. There we go. So I'm going to keep them on number 9. So that's my starting number, and that's the number I'm going to write on my board. I'm going to roll my dice, and I land on 1, 2, 3. I'm going to subtract 3 from 9. So 3 from 9. I'm going to count backwards 3 spaces using Buzz Lightyear. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3. What number have I landed on? 6. Great work, guys. We're doing a good job. So if we can get Buzz Lightyear back to 0. Let's roll again. 3 again. So I've got 6. That's my starting number. I'm going to subtract 3. Need to remember to write my equal sign. It's going to jump back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And I land on the number 3. Let's do this again. I wonder if I'm going to get past or get to 0. Oh, 6. I think that might be a bit too much. Let's see if I can roll again. 4. Can I take 4 away? No. I need a number smaller than 3. I can't take 6 away. It's too much. Oh, I landed on 2. So I've got 3. I'm going to take 2 away. So let's jump back 2 spaces. 1, 2. And I've landed on the number 1. So that's my answer. So what you could do is you can play this with a sibling at home or whoever's looking after you, and you can get two different toys, and I've got Hello Kitty here and Buzz Lightyear, and they can both start on number 10. You can take it in turns, rolling a dice and subtracting and counting back on your number line. And the first person or the first toy to get to 1 could be the winner. So when you send in your work, please send in a recording of you doing this activity or a photograph of your number sentences. I love to see them. I look forward to it.